to the top. Pitt got it locked from goose to the locks. R.I.P. a big impact that he's not, but damn he's hot. Label flop, but Pitt won't stop. Got her in the cockpit playing with bits. Now watch me make a movie like Albert Hitchcock. Enjoy me.